What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I intend to make up to $2,000 from Amazon KDP this Christmas season. You can follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video to make some good amount of profit for yourself before the end of the year. This is Christmas season and people will start shopping for their Christmas needs. To make up to $2,000 I'm going to do two things. First, I'll publish Christmas related books. Then I'm going to use Amazon ads to promote these books so that more people get to see them, and then because this is what they are searching for this season, they are more likely to buy them now, and then we'll make our cool profit. So guys, let's jump into my laptop screen. Let me show you how to make money from Amazon KDP this Christmas. Okay guys, once again you're welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I create videos about online business, and if you want to see more of this kind of videos, go ahead and smash the subscribe button right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video like this. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it if you can just hit the thumbs up button below this video. After you've done that guys, let's get started. So for starters, you will need 3 accounts for this process. First, you will need your Amazon KDP account. If you already have an Amazon KDP account, fine, you can just go ahead and sign into your Amazon KDP account. But if you don't have a KDP account yet, it's very easy to set up and it's completely free. Just go to kdp.amazon.com and set up your KDP account. The next thing you are going to need is a Canva account. So Canva is where we are going to be doing our designing and all our graphic editing from. So Canva makes designing very easy. If you already have a Canva account, that's super awesome. But if you don't have a Canva account yet, just go to canva.com and sign up, create a new account, and you'll be good to go. It's very easy to use. If you are new to Canva, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll also leave a link to my Canva tutorial so I can catch up with how to use Canva. The third account you are going to need is a Creative Fabrica account. Creative Fabrica is where we are going to get the interior for our low content books. So Creative Fabrica makes the process like 10 times faster for you and a lot more easier. I've made a number of videos on this channel before about Creative Fabrica. So if you already have a Creative Fabrica account, you just need to log into your Creative Fabrica account and then we'll start getting the resources we are going to use to create our books. But if you don't have a Creative Fabrica account yet, that's still not a problem. All you just need to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, and if you click on that link, it's going to bring you over to this page where you see all the designs you ever need, more than 6 million of them available. So in partnership with me, Creative Fabrica give you access to over 6 million fonts, graphics, and digital crafting resources. Basically from this page, you'll be able to sign up and try out Creative Fabrica for the first 1 month for free before you start paying for it. So if you look here, get access to over 6 million fonts and designs, commercial license included. That means you can use them for your KDP business. Sign up for free and download your first 10 items without having to pay any amount of money. So after the 10 download or after 1 month, the subscription renews at just $9 per month. That's about 70% discount for the normal $29 per month price, and then you can cancel your subscription anytime you want to. So if you follow the first link in the description, you'll be able to sign up to Creative Fabrica for free, and then you will also get 70% discount on your monthly renewal. So you get to pay $9 per month instead of $29 per month. So to get started for free, just click on try for free. So you see all access free trial. You just need to click on proceed to checkout. Here you need to create a new account with Creative Fabrica. So what you need to do is to click on register down here. You can sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can just enter your email, set a password for yourself, and click on register. For this example, I'm going to use my Google account to sign up, so I'll click login with Google, select the Google account I'm going to use. Then here you have 2 payment methods you could decide to use. I'm going to use credit card. Then I'll go ahead and enter my card details here. Now for the trial period, your card is not going to be charged, right? So it's $0. And then let's say after the trial period you don't want to renew your subscription, you can always come over to your account and cancel your subscription and your card will not be charged. But if you want to keep using the service, you'll be billed $9 per month. So I'll go ahead and enter my card details here. After I've done that, I'll click on sign up, and with this your Creative Fabrica account is ready. Here you see your order details and all of those stuff. What I'm going to do here is to click on subscription plan, and that will bring you over to your account. Now that your Creative Fabrica account is ready, we can then proceed to creating and publishing our books. So what I want to do basically is to publish Christmas related books, and to do that is very easy. I'll just come over here to the search box on Creative Fabrica and then type in Christmas. Like like I mentioned earlier, people are shopping for their Christmas needs, so people will start going over to Amazon.com and searching for maybe Christmas word search puzzles, Christmas activity books, and all of those stuff. Here we have some results for Christmas. What I like to do is to scroll down, and then here where you have categories, I'll check KDP interiors, so that the result I'm going to see will be complete KDP interiors. So you see all of these here that you can download and use. Here you have Christmas KDP interior bundle, Christmas activity pages, Christmas activity bundle for kids, Christmas planner, Christmas maze puzzle, Christmas word search puzzle. It's just for you to pick the one you want to create part time. Let's say I want to publish a Christmas activity book for kids. I can pick this one, for instance, Christmas activity book for kids. Click on it, and then I can go ahead and just click on download. Now the download is done. I'll just click on it to unzip the file, and here's what this interior we just downloaded looks like. If I come over to this download page, you are going to see some of the features of this book. This activity book contains I Spy Christmas activities for kids, 5 connect the dots games, 10 easy maze games, 10 Christmas word search puzzles, no bleed, PDF and PNG, and all of these details that will come in handy later when you are publishing the book. But in the meantime, I have this interior, and I'm going to use Canva to make some modifications to this interior so that it has my own touch, because there will also be other people who download this template from Creative Fabrica and will want to upload it the way they downloaded it, but I don't do it that way. So I'm going to add some pages to this interior before publishing to Amazon. So I'll come back here. Then, like I mentioned earlier, you need a Canva account. So come over to your Canva account and then click on upload to upload this interior you just downloaded. So I'll click on browse. Here's the PDF file. I'll select this and then click on open. It's going to take some seconds for Canva to process the upload. All right, the upload is done. I'll just go ahead and open it. So here's the template we got from Creative Fabrica. What I'm going to do is to add some pages so that I don't make this video too long. I'm going to pause this recording right now and then do all the modifications I want to do, and then resume this video and just explain the steps I followed for you guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now this is what I've got, and this is what I'm going to upload to Amazon. And as you can see, what I did first of all was to insert 2 pages before the first activity. This is the first activity, this one right here, currently on page 3. It was on page 1 before, as you can see here. So I added 2 blank pages before the first activity, this, and then just inserted this Christmas tree with Merry Christmas on the first page, and then this book belongs to the owner of the book, can write their name there. And after every page there's a blank page basically, right? So after this page, blank page, after this page, blank page. So this front, this back, this front, this back, this front, this back, and this, so that the activities on one page does not destroy the other page. Okay, so there's a blank page behind every activity. I just hope you understand that concept, and this is what I did all through basically. Blank page after each activity. The blank page serves as the back and all of that, but that does not apply to the solution part. So you don't need to add blank pages in between the solutions, since they'll not be doing anything on these pages. And at the end of the day, we now have a total of 180 pages inside this book, and then I have 2 blank pages at the end. This is just one last piece of paper before the cover. It's very simple. You just need to pay attention to make sure that you don't mix things up. Now that the interior of my book is ready, I'll just go ahead and download this as a PDF file. So I'll click on share, click on download, and then file type, I'll select PDF print, and then you don't need to touch all the other settings, just click on download. All right, the download is done. So if I just open this, you'll see what we have right now. Here's what we've got, and everything is just in place. Now the next thing you need is the cover. Here's the cover that I designed, and it's very simple. You can do this on Canva. I downloaded this font that I used to write Christmas from Creative Fabrica. So let me show you how I did that. If you come over here and search for Christmas again, and then under categories you apply fonts, so that you see Christmas themed font, right? So I just downloaded one of these, and that was what I used for this Christmas that I wrote here. And then this was a banner from Canva. Also, this background I have here, I got it from right here on Canva. If you come over to Canva and then you search for Christmas, you are going to see all of these Christmas related stuff. Like come over to photos, you see what I used on the background. There's the image right here, and I got these graphics as well from right here on Canva. You can also get stuff like this from Creative Fabrica. So it's very simple. If you know how to use Canva, you can put this together very easily. I intend to use this blank page as the spine of my book, and then this is the back cover, right? So at the back I have just Merry Christmas. So I'm going to download this as a PNG file. I'm going to download all 3 pages, click done, and then click download. For the cover, this is not what we are going to upload to Amazon. We need to format our cover in the right dimension. To do that, come over to Google and search for Amazon cover template. Click on the first result where you have KDP cover calculator. Binding type, select paperback. Interior type, we are going to use black and white. Paper type, white paper. Page turn direction is left to right as long as your book is in English. Measurement unit, inches. Interior trim size is 8.5 by 11 inches. If I come over to my interior and I click on file, you are going to see the dimension of the interior, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'll come back here, select 8.5 by 11 inches. Page count, how many pages do you have in the interior of your book? For my interior, I have 180 pages. So I'm going to enter 180 here and then click calculate dimensions. You'll see all of these numbers, but what we're going to do basically is to download template. We've downloaded the template as a zip file, so I'll just click on it to unzip. After unzipping the file, you'll see the different file formats we have for our template. We have a PDF file and a PNG file. I'll come over to Canva, and then here on Canva, I'll click on upload again, then just upload the cover template that we just downloaded. I'm going to import the PDF format, select it, and then click open. After uploading, I'll just click on it. The first thing I'm going to do is to clear all of this text that we have inside because we don't need all of that. And if you leave them there, it's going to cause Amazon to reject your cover. So I'm going to lock this background, then I can just drag everything and then delete, and we have all of that out of the way. The next thing I'm going to do is to come over to element, scroll down, come over to grid, and drag in this rectangular grid, and then I just need to adjust it. So basically you are using these lines as your guide. You don't want your cover to go outside of these lines. Then after aligning it, I'll just duplicate and then drag this to the other side. So there's the front, there's the back, and then I'll duplicate this again, and then we are going to have one for the spine of our book. Now I just need to bring the designs for my cover. So here's the design that we downloaded, unzip it, and then I'm going to upload them all to Canva. Upload my cover designs, click on open. So first of all, I'm going to drag in the front cover. So I'll bring this in, drag it into the front, then bring in the back, drag it into the back, and then bring in this that I have for the spine. And there I have it. And with this, you have your cover in the right dimension. So I'll just name this Christmas activity cover, and then I'll just go ahead and download this as a PDF file. So select PDF print and then just click on download. So right now we have the interior of our book ready, and then the cover of our book as well. The next step is to upload it to Amazon. So you just need to log into your Amazon KDP account. I'll sign into my account now. Here from your bookshelf, you want to click on create. What type of book do you want to create? We're going to select paperback, so you click on create paperback. Here you need to enter your book title, the subtitle. I have my book title here, Christmas activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Now when designing the cover of your book, you want to make sure that you have the title of your book on your cover so that your book does not get rejected. And if you are new to all of these things that I'm doing at this stage, title, subtitle, keywords, description, and all of that, I recommend you watch my previous KDP videos because I've explained all of these steps in detail, and I've also explained how you can come up with titles, how you can come up with subtitles, description, and keywords. So if you don't know how to do all of this, you don't know how to come up with the title for your book, how to come up with the subtitle, description, just watch my previous KDP tutorials. I'm going to leave links to them down below in the description. So subtitle, I'll copy my subtitle. Here I have it. Just copy this and then come and paste. Series, I'm not creating a series, so I'll let that go. Edition number, that's optional, I'll let it go. Author, you can use your name as the author or you can use a pen name. For this, I'm just going to use my name. Contributors, if there are other contributors, you can add them here, but there's none for me. Here where you have description, I'm going to copy the description of my book and then paste it right here. Then I'm going to use this editor on Amazon, make this bold, then create a bullet list of this, make this bold, then make a bullet list here as well, and then make this bold. And this is what I have for my description right now. So I'm done with the description. I'll just come over publishing rights, check I own the copyright. Then for my keywords, I already have what I want to use for my keywords, so I'll just paste all of them in. All right, so I'm done entering my keywords. Here you see there's a keywords are optional. You can decide to move on without entering keywords, but your keywords are very, very important because that's how people are going to find your book. So you enter the keywords that describe your book. Then if I scroll down, we need to select two categories for our book. So I'm going to select two categories. After selecting the appropriate categories for your book, does your book classify as any of these? I'll check large print book and then scroll down, adult content, no, and then I'm just going to click on save and continue. Then for print ISBN, I'll click on assign me a free ISBN. Publication date, I'm going to leave that. Then print options, black and white interior with white paper. That's what we are going to use. Then scroll down, trim size. The size for our book is 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'll click on select a different size and then look for 8.5 by 11. Here's it. Bleed settings, I'm going to select no bleed, and then paperback cover finish, I'll select glossy. Then scroll down. The next thing is to upload your paperback manuscript. That's the interior of your book. So I'll click on upload paperback manuscript and then just look for the interior of your book. So I'm going to select mine, click on open. Uploading is going to take some seconds. Manuscript uploaded successfully. I'll scroll down to this point where you have book cover. Then I'm going to select upload a cover you already have and then click on upload your cover file. Select my cover, click on open. This is also going to take some seconds. Cover uploaded successfully. Does your cover include a barcode? My cover does not have a barcode. Amazon is going to add a barcode to my cover, so I don't need to check this box. Then I'll scroll down here to where you have launch previewer. You need to launch previewer for Amazon to check if your book is in the right dimension. This is the first stage of review before your book is published. So I'll click on launch previewer. This is going to take some seconds as well. From the check, we are all good with this book, so I can just go ahead and click on approve. But if you have any error with your book, maybe something is out of place, you just need to go back to your work on Canva, adjust it, and then come back here and resubmit. Now that I don't have any issue with this book, I'll just click on approve, and then this is going to be the cost of printing, $3. I'll just click save and continue. All right, this is the final stage. Territories or territories, primary marketplace, I'll leave it at amazon.com. Then for the price, I'm going to use $7.99. I'm making the prices high because I'm going to be running ads. You need some kind of margin for you to be profitable if you are going to be paying for ad. I'll get about $1.78 from each sale as royalty. I can just click on expanded distribution so that my book reaches more markets. And then I'll just scroll down, terms and conditions. It can take up to 72 hours for your book to be live on Amazon. This is because your book is going to be reviewed manually, and then you get an email if your book is approved or if you need to make some changes to your book. So what I'm going to do here is to click on publish your paperback. Your paperback has been submitted. I'm not doing an ebook version. I'm just going to close this. So what I'm going to do from this point is to publish as many of these books as possible. Now, this is a Christmas activity book for kids. I can just come over to Creative Fabrica, search for other Christmas interiors. I will uncheck font, then scroll down, select KDP interiors, and I'll have a lot of options, right? So you want to publish as many books as you possibly can. The more books you have, the more leverage you are going to have, and the higher your chances of making a lot of money. So I'm going to publish a lot of them. After publishing these books, and these books are live on Amazon, the next thing I'm going to do is to use Amazon ads to promote these books so that more people get to see them, and that way I get to make a lot more sales. Running ads for your book has two major advantages. First, you are going to get sales immediately from the ads, and then that will help your books to start ranking organically as well, because once people buy the books and then they got positive reviews for your books, it helps Amazon recommend your book to more people even when you are not paying paying for ads. So to create ads on Amazon is very easy. Just come over to marketing, and then you are going to see the different marketing tools you have right here. But what we are concerned with is Amazon ads, right? So you can see it here, Amazon ads. You want to choose the marketplace. I'm going to use amazon.com, and then click go to ads console. And here what you want to do is to click on create campaign to start setting up a new campaign. Now I will not tell you directly to start running ads for your book, because this involves you spending money. Like, you might have to use a lot of money to do this. So if you don't have the money to run ads, then you have to go for the organic method of getting sales. I'm just showing you this because this is what I'm going to do to achieve my sales goal on Amazon KDP this season. All right. So you want to select sponsored products and click continue. The first thing you need to pick is the ad format. For the ad format, go for standard ad, and then you can name your ad group. So let's say I'll name this Christmas. And the next point is to add all the books you want to advertise. You can add all of your books, or you can add some of your books. What I'll do here is to add only the books that are Christmas related, because those are the kind of books I want to advertise. All the books that you've added will show up by the right, and then you can remove if you want to by clicking on this cancel icon. It's all very easy. Then for the targeting, go for automatic targeting, so that Amazon just handles the targeting for you. So I'll always go for automatic targeting. Then here you want to select your default bid. I'm going to use 0.3 here. That's 30 cents. This bid is simply how much you are willing to pay per click. And that does not mean you always pay this amount for every click. You might get clicks way cheaper than this, but this is just the highest you are willing to go. Negative keyword targeting, I don't have any business with that for now. Negative product targeting, also I'll not do anything there right now. The next point is to scroll down. For the bidding strategy, it is set on up and down by default, but I'll go for down only because this is more budget friendly. So dynamic bids down only, and this simply means Amazon will lower the amount you pay for a click if it is not likely to result into a sale. So I'll scroll down. You can give your campaign a name. Let me still name this Christmas for instance. Then start date, I'll use this date, and then no end date. Whenever I want the campaign to stop, I'll just come into the ad center here and turn it off. Then daily budget, I'll just use $5 per day. This is a good place to start from. And then after this, I'll just click on launch campaign. Amazon is going to review your ad, and if it's all good, your ad is going to be approved. And then when people search for keywords related to your book, let's say if I come over to amazon.com and then I switch to books category, and then I search for Christmas books for kids, you see this right here has sponsored at the top. That means this is a paid ad, and you can see paid ads always show up at strategic positions where people are more likely to see them. So this is a good way for you to get more eyeballs to your books and increase your chances of making sales faster. If you create the right books and put them on ads, people are definitely going to buy them, and if your book is good enough, they are going to leave positive reviews for you, and that book just takes off from there. Also, I didn't mention at the beginning of the ad that if you've not created any ad on Amazon before, you need to set up your ad account, set up your billing information, and all of those processes. But it's quite simple. You are going to receive prompts that you follow to set that up, so that should not be an issue for you. By January, I'm going to make another video to update you guys on how my Christmas campaign went, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you don't want to miss any of that. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to learn more about Amazon KDP, like some of the things that I didn't really mention in this video, like keyword research and all of those stuff, check out my full Amazon KDP playlist that is showing on your screen right now. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. I'll see you in the next one.